Formato Charts helps you create professional PowerPoint charts much faster by letting you work directly on the slide instead of digging through multiple menus. Instead of dealing with static PowerPoint charts, think of Formato Charts as real objects on the slide. You can move them, resize them, and adjust labels and annotations directly. Let me show you how that works. To insert a chart, just select the chart type you want from the Formato ribbon. The chart is inserted directly onto the slide. That's it. When you insert a chart, the underlying Excel data sheet opens automatically. You can edit the data here and the chart updates immediately on the slide. At any time, you can reopen this data sheet by clicking on the Sheet button on the chart or by selecting the chart and pressing Enter. You can move the chart just like any other shape. Simply drag it on the slide. For finer control, you can also use the arrow keys. To resize the chart, simply drag the handles around the edges. For more precise resizing, you can use Shift and the arrow keys. Alignment guides help you snap the chart into place relative to other shapes on the slide. To add and toggle decorators to a chart, right-click on it to open the Options menu. From here, you can quickly toggle elements like labels, legends, and so on. You can also add chart decorators such as Kager arrows or difference arrows directly from this menu. One pro tip, you can add and toggle these elements instantly using the shortcut keys shown in the brackets. So you don't need to open the menu at all. These shortcuts let you format charts instantly. Once elements are on the slide, you can fine-tune them individually by simply selecting them. Let me show you a few examples. For example, select a label to adjust things like font size or number formatting. You can also select multiple labels at once to update them together. And you can control exactly what value is displayed. For Kager or difference arrows, you can adjust the start and end references directly on the slide and choose whether to show a Kager or an absolute or relative difference. You can also adjust individual segments or an entire series. For example, change colors using the accent color, color picker, or eyedropper. Or adjust the bar width directly. So in just a few minutes, you've seen how to insert a chart, edit the data, and work with it directly on the slide. You learned how to move and resize charts naturally, add labels and decorators, and fine-tune individual elements when needed. Now try it yourself. Insert a chart, change the data, and adjust it directly on the slide. You'll get the hang of it very quickly.